are you doing, you?
Because he knows that you're there, like already in their lane.
Yeah, but he keeps coming straight at me like.
I really like this color, 20 bucks. Tom is looking for the mango right now, but wala sila. Doon siya doon. Ipit mo ako, ipitin mo ako dong, ipitin mo.
Good morning, Philippines!
You eat your din-din, good girl. Good girl. Sit up. Okay guys, good morning. I'm going to the other house soon, and I'm going to eat my breakfast first, of course, as usual. I'm not going to have egg. I'm just going to have the Hawaiian bread and coffee. Look, let me call my friends and tell them to say hi in the vlog. Hello! Hala, nasa vlog na sila.
Hi!
Hi!
We're live here on Facebook.
Not live Facebook. Hala, Las Merida.
Ala, babe.
Hala, oy. Hala, oy.
Gapakit man juga, babe.
Naara sila guys, yung mga kalaro ko, si Togstock. Jerjer, ito si Jerjer. Merida. Yan. Sila yun. Nakita ninyo inyong kaugalingon. Ay, naa.
Isa mo, pagwapas ako.
Pagwapa pa daw si Merida, guys. Bisaya po ito, guys. Bisaya.
YouTube. Yan na. Gwapa na ko.
Gwapa na ka.
To my team. Sa mawala pang team dyan, tali na po kayo. Paikog mo shout out sa akong team, oy.
Ayaw na nalito ka.
Shout out. Bahala na sila.
Yan.
Okay kayo. Nula ba yato si Pretty Celeron?
Muduwa to Pretty Zel.
Ay, si Pretty Celeron. Huwag si Pretty Celeron.
Okay na, bye-bye na. Bye, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi, guys. Yun yung mga kalaro ko pala. And I am going now sa punta na ako sa isang bahay. I think okay lang tong mga alaga ko dito. You be a good girl, okay? I'll be right back. Come here. You cannot go with me. You stay here. You're staying here. Hey, you are staying here. No, you are going to stay here. No, gusto man ni sumama. Gusto ka mo uban? Do you really wanna go? Yeah. What? No, you stay here. You stay here. Yes, you're going to stay here. Yeah. Yeah, you are staying here. No mouth. Don't open your mouth. Don't open your mouth. Tignan nyo, gustong sumama na naman. Magigilty lagi ba? Magilty man dyan ko guys. Kapag iniwan ito. Tignan nyo si Roxy. Naka-ano lang. Maano ka ba? Magilty ka. Iwan sila. Ay, buhay. Na-notice nyo guys, yung mga paborito kong mga damit is ganito. May mga linya-linya. Yep. At ito din, specifically, this one is my favorite. Ay. I like it. Burgundy. Oh no, it's purple. Yun na purple color. My favorite na plus white. So, lubat na pala ako and I will see you sa isang bahay. I'm going to bring the charger. dito kumain yung biyenan ko, guys. Ba't sakit? Carlos, may lunch ano sila dito, may lunch. Tawag nito? May lunch gathering sa mga kaibigan niya. So yun, dyan sila. It's a nice place. Hindi pa ako nakapunta dito eh. Allah, there's some cups. But somebody is trying to. What is this? What is he
I don't
doing?
know what he's doing.
He's like
Blocking the street.
marching.
Let's block the street.
Flipping through social media as this hearing has been going
Hi,
on
guys.
for an hour and a half.
With Tommy.
Striking takes about Christine Blasey's credibility.
Oh, is he the pace car for the friggin' race?
Yeah, this guy just do like this.
Yeah, I know, because he's pissed off too. This guy's aggravating as hell.
Trauma on young women. She has gained a reputation for research on these issues, anxiety,
what he's doing.
depression after going through traumatic
But he's
experiences.
flashing lights like there's something wrong. What's he doing? I don't know.
Acting as her own expert witness, talking in such scientific
This cop guy just marching alone with a light, very slow. We are going to, I don't know, Costco. It's just unbelievable because they are cops, they drive shit on the right.
I don't know what the hell is what's going on. It's like he's clearly not going to. You think he's got his flashing lights on, so there's a problem. There's not a problem. It's not like there's somebody in front of him who's got a flat tire. He's helping him get to. There's nothing. He's just crawling for some reason, and it's pissing everybody off.
Just move over.
I can't move over because it's like he's going so slow. Cars are catching up too quick.
Yeah.
And she faced questions used to driving the bus. Once they're trying to ask questions, it may take 2 minutes, it may take 2 weeks, but they guide, cajole, and raise inconsistencies every 5 minutes. The prosecutor from Arizona is interrupted because that's how the Senate rules play out. A Democrat gets to talk, then a Republican gets to talk. The Republicans give their talk to the prosecutor. So you see this surreal situation. The prosecutor trying to lay the groundwork.
He got new pants. He ordered it from Amazon. Tom is very picky when it comes to pants, guys, because he wants a lot of pockets that he can put his,
And I want them to be comfortable.
yeah, comfortable pockets. So he found this one. He asked, because your friend, right, wear the same thing. But it's good that you found it on Amazon.
The Wranglers start getting worse and worse, and now you can't even find them. They're hard to find. They're worse than they ever were. It's just like I've been wearing Wranglers for years. I like Wranglers,
I know you do.
but their quality has gotten worse, and now the stores aren't even carrying them properly.
So what are the, how much is
And
each over that?
last time I ordered them online, they were not good. So
But the Wrangler is like 16 bucks, something like that. How much is this each?
they're like 30.
Holy
Whoa! Look what it is.
30 bucks each?
Yeah.
God! Goodness! Each, guys, each. Hello, what's up?
What are you doing, you?
Guy over here,
I know, but
Tommy.
he's got his four-way flashes on. He's looking.
Jesus, Tommy.
He puts his four-way flashes like he's stopping, and then he's like jumping all over the place. Put a signal on, let people know what you're gonna do. See this crap?
That's why.
See, now he's going. He's not stopping either. He's like a pure. No clue what he's doing. He stops. He goes. He traffic. He jumps in the middle of the lane.
Road rage.
Stupid crap.
Guys, New York drivers, a lot of like that. If you drive here and you never been here, it's gonna be really, it's a lot of craziness going on the road.
He's not from New York. He's from Connecticut.
I know,
Look
but
at everything.
I know, but if you come here in New York, there's a lot of crazy drivers everywhere. Oh, the CV is closed finally, Walgreens.
Walgreens been closed forever.
I know, but I
They
thought
only
that
opened for 1 year and then they closed.
I thought they are making a restaurant something here.
No, nobody's bought the place yet. You can't get anybody else to take it.
You
Which
stay,
I'm
you
glad, because he threw the diner out of there.
stay. Go, Tommy.
That guy wasn't even looking. He's like, all of a sudden he realized he's like aiming right at me.
Yeah, because you are because he knows that you're there, like already in their lane.
Yeah, but he keeps coming straight at me, like at the last minute he swerved.
Yeah, he
like
tried. Intentionally, did you see his speed?
I don't care how intentional it was. It's his car.
He was speeding.
And I'm sitting there stopped. So
Yeah, I know he was
hit me
speeding.
or not, he's done.
I know he was speeding.
Yeah.
Just to show you. I can see his face. What the heck? People are just.
Well, you can see my face. I sat there just like calm as could be. Go ahead, hit me.
Costco, guys.
Last time we came over here, it was cool. Right?
Because
Of course.
a lot of people, guys. Did you see people here? All the parking space is full. Parking.
Of course.
Shit, over here. What is this? Parking? Meron na silang mga panindang mga pang winter. Yeah, they have stuff for winters now. This is for men. Oh, you need a thing. Look, guys, this is nice. This is for men, right?
Yeah, but you would wear this too.
No. For me. Ang dami ng pang winter stuff, guys.
I don't like the color.
I like this color better. This one right here.
I'll do black and green.
Huh?
I'll do green, I'll do black.
Yeah. Christmas. How tall is that? Allah, 5.5. That means it's tall. Okay, this is 11 bucks. Coming. Oh, I like that color.
I know you do.
11 bucks on 11. I really like this color. 20 bucks. Gusto ko tong color na to. Or mayroon silang color doon, guys. Ito, oh, gusto ko din ito. This one right here. No, I like this one better. Hindi ako gusto mga ganito, guys. Pero maganda siya. As in, sobrang ganda. How do you call this?
Nativity.
Huh?
A nativity set.
Nativity set. I like it.
You set it up before Christmas, and on Christmas Day you put the baby in.
Oh, really? Is that it? Napabili tuloy kami nito, guys. Winter stuff. Hala, gusto ko to. Ito. Mahal naman ito. 20 bucks. Ito, 11 lang. I don't know kung magkano to kay Tami. What are you looking? To what? What is that, Tami? 4? Oh my God. Yun, guys. Yun. 3 croissants yung kinuha ko. Yep. Grabe, no? This is for Hubs. Right? All that 3 things.
Then you may get another one.
That's all for Hubs. Guys, makes Tami happy. Look. Because cheese in the middle. Where did you see cheese in the... Ah, mozzarella cheese in the center, huh?
No, where did you see
Meatballs.
it? We tried. I like try different.
Yeah, we got...
I need to put a cat and the puppies.
Cats and the puppies. Turkeys. There is one right here. Now expensive. Look for that little bit.
This is
No mango.
what?
No mango. I can't find any mango. Naghanap kami ng mango, guys, pero wala silang mango. Sorry. Sorry, Mama. Tommy's looking for the mango right now, but wala sila. Doon siya doon. Kapag andito talaga sa Costco, yung mga tao is mahilig ang daming tasting. So, yun. Ang daming tao sa mga tasting area. Doon, dami doon. Kailangan ko nito, guys. Which one is that? Suavitel. Tapos na kami, guys. Pauwi na kami. And, yun. Yan. Ito lang yung mga binibili namin. Yeah, she's like... Okay, yung cashier dun, guys. What did the cashier told you?
So you need to initial here where you made a mistake. Where I made a mistake? You gave me the wrong amount. No, I wasn't talking to you. You certainly were talking to me. That was the amount on your register.
Yeah.
She's trying to like lie her way out of it for the break.
Yeah. It's right here. Okay, this is what the trunk is full. Okay. I'm gonna have this. That one right there. I'm waiting for Tommy. Guys, naalala nyo ba to? Yan. Diba meron tayong snack dito sa snacks sa Pilipinas na ganito. Nakita ko siya dito. Hala. What does that mean?
Solid tax. $25.79.
$25.79
Right.
plus
$8.99.
kain tayo. Ampaw man guys. Ang tawag nito sa Pilipinas is ampaw.
I like Rice Krispie treats without the sugar.
Yeah. Ampaw talaga dito. It's an ampaw. We have this in the Philippines, son.
People make it themselves out of Rice Krispie cereal, but they have it here called Rice Krispie treats.
Oh, really? Yeah, but listen, we have this in the Philippines. We called it ampaw. See it, ampaw.
Ampaw.
Yeah. Ampaw ba to, guys? Rice. Hello. How can you put that thingy? Because I keep filming and then you have that thing. We're gonna pick up his mom. Hala, magkamerahan. Naglalaba din ako, guys. Naglalaba? I did already.
I do my own freaking laundry.
I did already. Laundry tayo, guys. As we are together, laundry tayo to stand. Kay Tami tong laundry, guys. Kailangan lang talagang labahan, guys. Nag-grill si Tami, guys, ng sausage. I like that truck. Sausage, guys. Tami?
I'm going to go phone it down once the grease is on there. The grease fire. The grease fire. I can shut it off, but it's still a grease fire. The sausage is cooked to a certain point, it's like squirting. When it's squirting, it's like squirting gasoline.
Mahilig talaga si Tami sa mga ganitong hindi niya mapigilan yung apoy. Mahilig kasi si Tami sa apoy, guys. Bata pa siya, kumain ng apoy. Parang baliw-liw lang ba? Rush hour at saka yung people nagra-rush. Parang baliw kung magdadrive lang. Parang baliw lang mag-drive, oh. Sige, punta ka doon. Iipit mo ako. Ipitin mo ako doon. Ipitin mo. Maganda pa naman yung sasakyan mo. Masira niyan, patay ka. Anyway, ito ang pinakamahirap ng drive, rush hour. Traffic pa, ang daming mga driver na nagmamadali. Gusto nyo makita, guys? Yun, oh. Traffic. Over there.
Nothing else. I just figured I'd call and see how you were making out on the drive.
I'm good. It's just traffic here. It's crazy.
Okay.
It's like,
That's what it is.
yeah. What's the weather for today? Is it going to rain?
I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. That's what it is.
Are you upstairs?
No, I'm downstairs. I'm gonna turn the oven on in a minute. Got it?
Yeah, that you can go to bed early.
I plan to go to bed early because I just feel like crap every freaking day. And I got some kind of sinus infection that just won't go away either.
Oh,
I
dear.
can't breathe every freaking day.
Hi guys, hit traffic right now. 2 hours already. I'm driving 2 hours and I'm not home yet. This freaking traffic. Oh my god, bumper to bumper itong traffic. There's a lot of big trucks and I have a lot of pimples here. I can feel it hurts right here, the back of my neck. I feel bad with my dogs, guys. I think I'm 30 minutes away from the house. I think, I'm not sure. I'm not really sure, but time check, it is 5:43. Makauwi na ako sa bahay. Si Tammy is done eating already. They're in bed. Oh my god, kaloka naman tong traffic, guys. As in, guys, hindi ko na alam, guys. Kentucky trailer. May malaking trailer dito on North America. Music tayo. Dada, you bonsi. Love, dada, bonsi for you. Bonsi for my babies. Bonsi for my babies. Yeah. Wait, that's your bonsi. Okay. Are you happy? Are you ready to come in? Let's go in. So ngayon, nilagay ko na tong ang 6 na bag. 6 na bag. Ang problema nito is ilagay ko sila sa freezer. Ang problema is wala ng space. Wala ng space ito. Hi guys, kakain tayo guys. Ano na guys? Ano nang oras guys? Alas 7 ano na? 7:37 na. And wala akong gulay. And ang andito lang is yung salmon na binili namin from Costco. And kinakat-cut ko siya ng maliit para marami yung, para matagal matapos, para hindi agad matapos yung para may, sa future, kung gusto kong salmon, meron. Nilagay ko sa freezer. Ang sarap ng salmon. Kaloka. Come here. This is done. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. And yeah, so thank you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And if you have time, it's free guys. I will really appreciate sa time ninyo. And also you can share this video if you like. I appreciate it so much. Bye guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys with Tommy next time. Bye.